In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this very beautiful love decoration very easily at home. All you need for this decoration is a few balloons, crepe paper and paper, and within a few minutes you can make this very beautiful decoration very easily at home. In case you're new to this channel is all about party decorations, holiday decorations and all kinds of other DIYs. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button right now so you don't lose my channel and you stay updated on all my future uploads. For this decoration we will be needing 7 heart-shaped balloons in total. I have 3 red color heart-shaped balloons, 2 pink color heart-shaped balloons and 2 white heart-shaped balloons. And to inflate them I'll be using balloon pump. The same way we are going to inflate all the other balloons that we have. I have here 3 different sizes square paper. I have white 6 by 6 centimeter. I have pink 8 by 8 centimeters and a red color paper 10 by 10 centimeters. What I also did is take white color paper of the same sizes. 1 piece paper of 10 by 10 centimeters, 1 square of 8 by 8 centimeters and 1 square of 6 by 6 centimeters. What we are going to do with this is we are going to fold it in half like this and we are going to draw a heart shape on this. We'll cut this out. And that's the same that we'll be doing with these 2 pieces as well. After having done so, we'll use these pieces as a stencil on these squares and we will draw our heart and cut them out in shape. Using this stencil I'll create all the other hearts in red color. Using this stencil I'll create the hearts in pink color, and using this stencil I'll create the hearts in white color. I have here 3 pieces of crepe paper. I'm going to use the color red, pink and white, and of each piece I'll be needing the length of 1 meter and width 4 centimeters. I will be needing 2 strips of each color. After we have inflated all the balloons, we'll paste them on the wall. Next we are going to take pink color wool. We are going to take 1 meter length. Cut out all the excess pieces of wool that is hanging from underneath. Let me know in the comment section below if you did like this DIY. If you did like this DIY, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please don't leave my channel without subscribing. And do check all my other videos and I'm sure you'll find amazing party decoration ideas to make your occasion special.